Hi guys, it's your girl Elementalist.k and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. We want to grow in 2021. We want to flourish. We want to be consistent in 2021. Okay? Okay. Oh wait, I'll just give you a second. I'm getting really excited that you're subscribing. So I went to Ghana about 3 weeks ago. Or I came back from Ghana about 3 weeks ago, and I've been excited to share with y'all the goodies that I got. Okay, here we go. Okay, one of the things I got was this backpack from my friend. We were communicating while I was there, and he was telling me like I'll go to the shops, and when it would have service, he was really blessed because it liked him. Like, he was able to communicate back to me fast enough. But anyways, this is from my friend Carrie. So as you can see, it's one of our traditional prints specifically to Ghana in a backpack form. And it's huge. Look at my head compared to it, okay? Backpack number 2, also for Carrie. He's supposed to come pick it up today, but Carrie, I'm glad you did because I got my makeup done and now I can do a haul. Okay, so here it is. Leather up top. Has these little pockets right here. Simple. The leather is very durable as well. And there, oh, the back. Yeah, the back has these straps that match it. Okay, and then inside I got some stuff for his fiance. It's a little clutch with more African print. So it's quite roomy. You can fit a good amount of things in there. And then there's a chain that comes with it. So yeah, I hope she loves that. And then the other thing is this wallet right here. And that's the back. And then when you open it, it looks like so. And you know, there are zippers. Oh, it goes this way. Pockets. Okay, so that's the stuff for Carrie. Oh no, there are 2 more things for Carrie. 2 different bracelets. Some cute traditional beading. So that's her stuff that she wanted. I'm gonna set that aside. So there's a shirt. This really cool shirt that was actually made for him by a tailor. I hope you guys can see top to bottom what it kind of looks like there. I forgot to show y'all. The shirt matches the backpack. This boy is finna really be stunting on him. And then shirt number 2. And this one has the design on the back. I kind of wish I got some like this. Alright, my stuff. I got a bonnet. Because, you know, Black Girl Magic. I will insert in the clip, but I got this shirt from a black owned, I mean, that's as black as you could get, African, from the motherland. He's a Ghanaian designer, okay? So I might have to come back and buy something. I don't know if you can tell, it has, I'm trying to be careful because I just did my makeup on this desk, but look at the fabric and the texture and how thick it is. And then this is the label. So I personally have some clothes made for me using this print. I want to do a separate video on that, so you're gonna have to find out another video because I'm not gonna wear all these clothes right now. No. But one of them that I had made, I found a matching wallet for. So I'm super excited about that. Look at this. Look how pretty that is. You know, basic wallet. But it matches my outfit. Period. I got a bunch of these masks, African cloth masks, and that's what I'm gonna give to my friends. I'm just gonna be like, hey, go for it, take your pick. When I say a bunch, I mean a bunch. Some of them are small, so it'll just depend on the type of this is one of my favorites. I might keep this for myself. And then this from my friend Pernell. I'm gonna have to insert a clip. I don't want to ruin. This is like pristinely packaged. The other ones, I don't know. I'm realizing I'm making a mess, and there's makeup around. It's not a it's a late realization, but probably a safe one as we move forward. And these are some other things that I got from my friends. Look how beautiful that is. Just look at the patterning. Wow. And it opens up. Of course, you've got regular wallet going on. The wallets never stop. So more wallets. Very cute. Guys, I'm telling you, this print is what is in right now in Ghana. It's on everything. Oh, and this exfoliator. Now, Africa is becoming viral all of a sudden. Everybody's so interested in the things we use and such. So I think I was laughed at one point, or thought I was strange for having that. We call it sapo, but it's basically a loofah. And it's used to bathe. And you know, the American ones are much more softer, even plastic, and are tied in a ball, so it looks like a flower. These, as you can see, the gritting is wider, the density is stronger, or it's like a heavier material. So my friend asked me, because I think she saw it online or something like that, because I saw it online. It started going viral that, you know, it gets your skin clean. And I'm like, yeah. Am I gonna say this? I found out last week that white people don't wash their legs when they shower. It's already weird enough that they said they don't bathe after the pool. Which I'm like, okay, people pee in the pool. It has chemicals in there. Plus, it's outside. It's water that's been sitting outside. Why would you not bathe after you get out of the pool and get it out of your hair, your pores, you know? But when I found out they don't scrub their legs, can y'all comment? I want to know, is this like, I don't want the like 2 people who scrub their legs, right? I want to know, like, How many of y'all, how can I do a poll? Please comment below. Is this a thing? Do white people just not wash their legs? Okay, I'll stop. Oh, shea butter. So we brought back some shea butter. Focus. Is it gonna focus? Maybe the light is too harsh. But anyways, what's in here is raw shea butter. Raw Ghanaian shea butter. Buttery. And then this is called anago samna in Ga. Anago samna, but then I think some people always also say alata samna. So it's that African black soap. She's 30. Chat. I don't want to make a mess over my laptop, but that's what it looks like in there. African black soap, everybody. Oh, my paintings. I'm not going to unravel those. I'm going to insert a clip as well because I don't want to keep tampering with it so as to not crack the paint. So I'm going to insert in a clip from my Ghana vlog. And that should be suffice. But I'm gonna have those framed. I have it rolled up right now. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That was my very simple African haul, or African items haul. What am I gonna title this video? I don't know. Please don't forget to like this video, share. If you're interested in my experience with Ghana, then I'm also gonna make a vlog of that, and I will be editing and posting that soon as well. If you're interested in my makeup, I will have a video of that as well that you guys can check out. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching.